for the first quarter ng 2023, wala ka ring maipakitang any acknowledgement receipt, any document ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos cash galing sa'yo for the first quarter of 2023. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your
Nagpa-receive
Honor,
po
asked
ako,
and
Your
answered, Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, this is 2023. I'm breaking it down.
Counsel, let the witness answer.
Nagpa-receive po ako, Your Honor.
Ma'am, tanong. May dokumento kayo now na ipapakita in an impeachment trial sa harap ng ating mga senator judges, sa harap ng taong bayan na tinanggap nga ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos galing sa'yo.
Your
Ngayon.
Honor,
That's a very clear-
I would have to register a continuing objection to this line of questioning.
Napakasimpleng tanong po, Your Honor.
Considering that it's already asked and answered. Your Honor.
Ngayon.
Counsel, you're on a short leash. I think the witness answered already from the questioning of the presiding officer himself. Although I know and understand it's for emphasis, but only it can only go so far.
Yes.
The witness has already answered. So, ma'am, wala po kayong dokumentong hawak dahil nga binawi ni Colonel Lachica. Tama po.
Binawi po niya, Your Honor, pero nakagawa na po ako ng liquidation, Your Honor. Nakasubmit na po kami sa COA, Your Honor. Every time po, meron kaming confidential, Your Honor.
Opo, ma'am.
Nakaliquidate po kami, Your Honor.
Opo, naunawaan ko po
Alright.
yan. Pero klaro lang po na binawi nga po niya kaya wala po kayong kopya.
Yes, Your Honor.
At yan po yung
Pagkatapos.
kinagawian na nyo noong 2022 last quarter, first, second, at third quarter ng 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Opo, tama. Okay. Kaya wala po kayong hawak na kahit anong dokumento ngayon dahil na kay Colonel Lachica na at binawi po niya.
Ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.